All right. Hello, guys. Happy trading week. I hope you guys are catching the pips on market. So, without no delay, in this video, I'm going to be doing a kind of quick breakdown. Something to look out for on Euro USD. So, without no further delay, let's dive into it. Let's start from daily. So, maybe if you watch my previous video on Euro USD top down analysis, you'll see everything I've marked. So, what we have currently here on daily. As you can see here, I already marked this level as my last breakout structure in daily time frame. So why did I mark that? What made that breakout structure confirm? So this is why I marked that level as my breakout structure. Price took out this internal low here. I took out this internal low here. And if you haven't watched my video on structure mapping, you need to watch it. It will really help you to understand what I'm talking about here. So that level is my inducement level idea. Because at this level, people are looking to buy, but price manipulated them. This level, people are looking to buy, but price manipulated them and took out their stop loss before making this break of structure at this level. So since that low, this low is been taken out, this inducement is been taken out, this high is being confirmed, and this low here, this low here is being confirmed. So after that, what do we have? Price after the break of structure, we have a trend line liquidity down below. A trend line liquidity down below, as you can see clear that this is a trend line liquidity that price need to take out before going to the upside. So price started coming to the downside, and finally price take out the entire trend line liquidity and traded inside this IMB imbalance price action that is here. And what do we have after the imbalance? We have price here in daily start to print bullish candle to the upside, though we expected price to tap into this other block, but price didn't come down to this level. Price just come inside the imbalance and started going to the upside. So but since we have taken this liquidity, this trend line liquidity, I think we shouldn't be bothering about price mitigating this other block. All we should be looking for is our confirmation before taking our buy. So and that is exactly what I see happening here currently now. So price didn't tap in the POI, but price just started reacting inside this imbalance here, started printing bullish candle to the upside, and finally price hit a level at the upside. You can call this a kind of resistance level, and started coming to the downside. And price now return into this new created imbalance in let's return into this imbalance in, I think I can access that too. Please guys, bear with me. Okay, I think this is it. This it's not this one. Okay, it is. So price return into this. No, it's not this one. I think it's this one. Okay, it is this one. Price return into this imbalance. Now to make use of these tools. So let's forget about this, guys. Let's use this. So price return into this imbalance here, and started reacting. It first started to reject at that level imbalance. Yeah, yeah. So price started rejecting at that imbalance, and finally we had a bullish candle. A bullish candle is going on that close above the red candle. So when this happened now, I think let's go down to H4 and see what is ongoing currently now. So in H4, this is the daily level. In H4, if you watch my previous video, you will see I've analyzed all these things. So without no further delay, if you want to see everything more in depth, watch my previous video. But for here now, what do we have? If we should focus on this swing here, on this recent swing to the upside, what do we have? What do we have? We see that price is uh, excuse me. Okay, so if we should focus on this price range, recent price range, what do we have? Already price have tapped into our have taken the entire liquidity we have down below, and even here in H4 before now, we do have this equal low, and price have taken the equal low. Price have taken the equal low at this level. So the entire liquidity have been taken out, and currently now what do we have? After the liquidities have been taken out, we started seeing price pricing to the upside, and finally price started returning. So what do we have here in H4? We have a change of character from a daily level. All these things I've analyzed it in my previous video. This is just a kind of a review on what is currently going on. So we have a chalk at this level, and price continue going to the upside. So currently now, after the chalk, we have this level of this is a trend line liquidity. This is a trend line liquidity. Trend line liquidity. The price traded back down inside this new range. I should remove this now. I'm sure you already see what I'm trying to highlight. The price took out the entire liquidity trend line liquidity that is sitting here, and tap into this other flow here. We also have other block, but for me, I use more of the entire zone. entire swing, pullback. And if I should use order flow, OF, if I should highlight the order block, here is the order block. So this is it. And price tap into the order flow and still mitigated the order block in this case. So here is the order block, OB, order block and order flow. Price mitigated them all. And now what we have after the mitigation, we have another change of character here. And before this change of character, we have a liquidity sweep below this low. Sweep, sweep. So price swept this low, internal low, before breaking this change of character. So now what are we expecting? For me, I am expecting, since price have swept this low, I am not like, if price should return at this level now, this box, I am ready to buy. And if you can see, we still have imbalance at that level. And this is the order flow. And the refinement of the order flow, I have this order block. So if price should return in any of this level, I'm ready to buy on Euro USD. So here is my OB order block, and the bigger box is my order flow. So this is where I'm waiting for price to return to, the order block and the order flow, just like we did here. Just like we did here. So I'm waiting for price now to return at this recent created one. Then I will be looking for a buy on Euro USD. So, but price might still like go up. Price might still like go up, like from here now. This is not what I want. Okay. Price might still like at this level now go up, like come down, go up again, and come back, taking this, creating inducement. That is possible. Then after the inducement is being taken out, price will again go up again. So this is possible. But for now, this is, for me now, if price will return at this level, I've already highlighted the other block and the other flow I'll be buying, because why? Price swept this low. But if price didn't sweep this low, I will be waiting for price to create this kind of structure at this level before I will be buying. So now I will be having my inducement at this level, the week low at this level. Idea. So that is another way I can be looking for it. But if it didn't happen this way and price happens to return back now at this level, which I've highlighted, the other block and the other flow, I'm ready to buy my Euro USD with extra confirmation in lower time frame. So now let's look down in 15 minutes what we have. to see what we have in 15 minutes. So in 15 minutes, we have price pricing to the upside already. So price is pricing to the upside, and our last break of structure, should remove this. Our last break of structure happens at this level. But before this, let's check H1 to see what we have. So H1, this is what we have. In H1, we have that same low swept in H4, and we have our change of character at the same level. And after this change of character, no, in H1, this is our change of character. The first low broken is our change of character. Let's keep things specific. So this is my change of character in H1. And after this change of character, I had a breakout structure. But this breakout structure is not confirmed according to our trading approach. According to our trading approach. Though we can be buying at these levels, reason being that this low in H1 have been swept. We can be looking for buys as this upward movement. We have opportunity here. That is for those trading with uh, H1 structure. For me, I use the H4 as a swing trader and 15 minutes. So, but the purpose of this video, that is why I'm coming down to H1. So, for those trading H1, they can be buying at these levels here. So they have opportunity to buy at this level, this change of character, return to this order flow here. So let me highlight everything. Let's not rush this video, but I didn't want this video to be this long before. So uh, this is the levels where you can be buying on H1 time frame. So again, another buy and the other flow again. So this way, after the break of structure now, maybe you're already taking your TP partial, all those stuff. So and price, what are we now looking for? If you look closely now in H1, we have a trend line at this level. This is a trend line liquidity. The price needs to take out to use our fuel price. So price needs to take out this trend line liquidity, and price should return to this order flow here. Order flow, order block. But for me, I trade more of order block, order flow. So this is the new created order flow in H1 that have not been mitigated. This is it. And inside the order flow, we have an order block, the last bearish candle, the sell to buy candle. So this is what we have here in H1. So as price is coming down, after the trend line is been taken out, I'll be looking for this level as a H1 trader. You're looking for this level as your confirmation, to wait to look out for your confirmation before buying to the upside. So that is it for the H1. So in 15 minutes for the day traders, as a day trader already, there are some opportunities here this morning, but I didn't want to take these opportunities because I'm not a day trader. One, and because price have taken out a chalk in higher time frame, and I know that price is going to return to the downside to mitigate those marked levels in H4. So since that happened, I didn't take this buy because this low was swept. If you look, this low, internal low was swept, price to the upside, come back into this imbalance here and continue to the upside. So If you traded here, you made profit. But now we have something that needs to be taken out. We have something. So what do we have? We have a trend line liquidity, just like we do in H1. Trend line liquidity and order block, order flow. So this is our order block in 15 minutes. But I will recommend you focus more on the order flow in 15 minutes, which is the bigger box. So that is what we have currently now on Euro USD. And with patience and discipline, let's wait for the price to unfold. Currently now, we have to do nothing but wait. So that is it, guys. I just feel like I should break this down. Just a quick top-down analysis on Euro USD to what to expect as we go come close to the end of the week. So that is it for this video, guys. If you find this video helpful, just do well to smash the like button and subscribe. Supporting a young YouTuber, it really inspires me to do more. And if you haven't watched my video on structure mapping, or if you want to still, you can watch my video on structure mapping. And I also have, if you're a gold trader, I also have a top-down analysis video recently made for gold traders. So go watch that, go see what to expect on gold and how gold, what we analyze and how gold have been following our analysis perfectly well. So that is it for now, guys. See you guys another one. Peace out.